plenty of room on these handlebars. This is a bicycle that has been converted over to a motorbike. If you guys want to see more about it, I have plenty of videos on it. There's going to be better videos coming soon. I guess this is a reflector I don't use. There'll be more videos coming soon because now I have a gimbal that will definitely make the videos come out a lot more smoother. So, as my neighbor goes by really loud, so I'm actually getting rid of, this is getting turned down. So I'm going to put it on this side because I'm doing away with 2 brake levers, combining them into one as soon as that comes in the mail. So let's install it and see how good it does. I think I'm only going to have to undo one side. Now loop around, go right in like that. I'm going to put it clear up against the center post. That way if my center post ever comes loose, it won't go back and forth. Maybe this will save it. Gotta say, I think I'm gonna run out of... Oh, okay, there we go. Just tightening that one down a little bit. Now I'm gonna run this one all the way in. It's got a long way to go. Now remember, it's aluminum, so you don't want to over tighten it. And I'm finding that the tool they provided is not long enough. I'm hitting right here. Do you see that? Yeah, now I'm hitting full on, so I'm going to have to go to the side thing. This side. I'm going to tighten it with my fingers from the bottom. There, leveled as best as I can. I'm going to turn it. There, that would be straight. Yeah, it hits. I'm going to have to only use this way, which is fine. Pretty sure it's still going into aluminum. Yeah, just aluminum, so you don't want to tighten it too much. Most likely it's aluminum. I don't see it being metal. There we go. Feels nice and strong. Oh, now that it's mounted, it's a lot easier to turn. Okay, so now I have a 3D printed thing that I need on here. That way I can quick attach it. Quick attach you guys. I don't do this thing where I slide this in and all that. Slide it in like I just did. Oh, I think I just broke it. Broke something. Oh, I broke my mount, which is fine because that one needed to break off anyways. Okay, so going down the road, I can just grab it, turn it. Let's kick the fuel on this bad boy. Make sure there's fuel in it. Shut you guys off for a little bit so I can go down the road a little bit. That way not all the stalkers can figure out right where I live right away. Let's go. Okay. I don't get ran over. Let's test it out. Hopefully I don't get lost either. So many roads. Just move to this area. So the noise you hear is the engine not running. We'll go with it running in a little bit. This is just me pedaling. There's me flipping to the right. Super easy. I've already rode a little bit. It does not auto move itself, which is nice. Let's to the left. Now let's go like that. you guys watch any future videos, most likely I'll have a gimbal attached to this thing. That way it's nice and smooth. Also going to do a video on that, because that'll be fun. Thanks for watching.